Understanding transactional analysis, or TA, opens a window into the fascinating world of human interaction. At its core, TA is a psychological framework that helps us decode the hidden patterns in our conversations, relationships, and even the way we talk to ourselves. Developed by Dr. Eric Berne in the 1950s, TA continues to resonate today because of its clarity, accessibility, and practical applications in both personal and professional spheres. Imagine every interaction as a dance between three parts of ourselves: the parent, the adult, and the child. These are known as ego states, and each one carries its own unique voice, perspective, and emotional charge. The parent is shaped by the rules, values, and attitudes we absorbed from authority figures during our formative years. Sometimes, this voice is nurturing and supportive, offering comfort and guidance. Other times, it's critical and directive, enforcing rules and judgments. The key is recognizing when this state is helping us to guide and care for others, and when it might be shutting down open communication with criticism or control. The adult ego state is our anchor to the present moment. It's the rational, thoughtful part of us that assesses situations objectively, seeks information, and makes balanced decisions. When we operate from the adult, we focus on facts, ask questions, and collaborate on solutions. This state is especially valuable in professional environments, where clarity and mutual respect are essential for effective teamwork. Then there's the child, the source of our emotions, spontaneity, creativity, and vulnerability. The child state can be free and playful, injecting joy and innovation into our lives. But it can also be adapted, showing up as either compliant or rebellious, often in response to authority. Recognizing our own child state and those of others is crucial for understanding the emotional undercurrents that can drive behavior, for better or worse. Every conversation is a transaction between ego states. Some exchanges are smooth, what TA calls complementary transactions, where the response matches the expectation of the initiating statement. For example, when one adult asks another for information and receives a straightforward answer, communication flows easily. Other times, responses come from unexpected ego states, leading to cross-transactions and misunderstandings. A simple request for information might be met with defensiveness or sarcasm, shifting the interaction into conflict. TA also identifies ulterior transactions, where words carry double meanings or hidden motives, adding complexity to our communication. One of the most powerful tools TA offers is the ability to diagnose these patterns and adjust our approach. By consciously shifting into the adult state, responding with curiosity, empathy, and a focus on solutions, we can diffuse tension, invite collaboration, and build trust. This is transformative not just in the workplace, but at home, in friendships, and in our internal dialogues. TA also explores the concept of life positions, deep-seated beliefs about ourselves and others that shape our worldview. The healthiest position, "I'm okay, you're okay," fosters respect, empowerment, and authentic connection. Other positions such as "I'm okay, you're not okay," or its inverse, can lead to conflict, dependency, or resignation. Through self-awareness and practice, TA helps us move toward that balanced, affirming life position. As we navigate an increasingly complex world, where digital communication often amplifies misunderstandings, the principles of TA are more relevant than ever. They remind us that we have choices in how we respond, that we can break unhelpful cycles, and that we can foster more meaningful, productive relationships. Whether you're a leader aiming to inspire your team, a parent seeking better connection with your child, or simply someone striving for greater self-understanding, transactional analysis offers a roadmap for growth. By observing, interpreting, and transforming our interactions, we unlock the potential for change, one transaction at a time.